Ready for the biggest water fight ever?
Oh, you're going down, little warriors.
We have balloons, water blasters, and the secret weapon.
They won't even see it coming.
Let's teach them how real pros do it. One big splash coming right up.
Direct hit coming in. Splash attack. Nice try, but you missed me.
You didn't see that coming, huh? Run! It's the hose of doom!
Balloon bomb incoming in 3, 2, 1.
My pants are soaked.
It's raining buckets, kiddos!
No!
We're drenched.
This is it, the final spray down.
Let's do this, team parent. Slippery escape plan. Success. Whoa, whoa. A-H-H.
If you're fighting, you're all cooling down.
That's freezing.
Trap set. Gotcha, Dad.
Whoa, you got me good.
Surprise splash from Mom. No fair.
Ready for round 2. They're up to something.
Bucket blast incoming. Soaked again.
Sprinkler party time.
Join us, kids.
Filling ammo for the next round. Uh-oh, here we again.
Final spray down. Here we come. Bring it on, kids. Whoa. Slippery here.
Gotcha, Dad.
From above, take this. Watch out down there.
This is summer fun.
Best day ever.
Surprise attack, Mom.
You sneaky boy.
Let's get him, Dad.
Attack mode. O-N.
Say hello to my super hose.
No! Not fair.
Ready, aim, splash.
Whoa. Direct hit.
Sprinkler dance battle.
Boogie down. Water style.
Whoa, who put that there?
Whoop. Splash landing.
Wake up call, Dad.
Ice cold surprise.
Gotcha from the top. No, you tricked me.
To new beginnings. Our little orchard.
Balloon blast zone.
Everybody splash.
Make way for the Splash Queen.
Hey. I wasn't ready.
You'll have to try harder. Next one will get you.
Slide time. Here we go. Woohoo!
Cool feet incoming.
What the?
No running in the splash zone. Yes, sir, lifeguard.
Rain of fun coming down.
It's a water shower.
Gotcha, Dad.
Not fair.
Pie. Whoops. Mom's a whipped cream monster.
Let's groove in the splash. Best dance party ever.
Popsicle time!
Perfect summer treat. Perfect spot for a surprise shot.
Mom's up to something again. Target locked. Launch. That got me good.
Here comes Dad.
Ah, cold ambush.
Take this, Mom.
Ah, you sneaky splashers.
Let's do it again tomorrow. What a splash-tastic day.
This is the best mini pool ever. Like and subscribe for more.
Don't miss our next splashy fun.
Take that, Shark Blaster style. Subscribe now before Dad gets us. You little rascals. I'll get you next time.
Thanks for watching. That was the best water fight ever.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. See you in the next video.